Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ryan Clark here from JIGMOD, and I'm going to test out this Peltier cooling module. These are the same type of modules that are used in those micro refrigerators that hold 6 cans of pop. When I first saw these being sold on the market, I was truly amazed by the fact that you can cool something with electricity alone. So there are no moving parts and no refrigerant in these Peltier modules. I've stuck the Peltier module onto an adhesive heatsink which is in contact with 4 strips of aluminum to dissipate the heat. I've connected it to 5 volts, and I'm going to take a few readings to give you an idea of what you can expect if you experiment with some of these modules. This configuration is powered by an ATX power supply and uses the Molex power supply JIGMOD and the power switch JIGMOD, which makes it a lot easier to quickly test any 12 volt or 5 volt device. I've got my multimeter set up to provide a current reading so we can just see how much current this Peltier module draws. I've also got this temperature sensing gun so we can observe the temperature on the cool side of the Peltier module. So I'm just going to put this right up to the Peltier cooler so we can get a good reading, and I'm going to power this thing up and see what happens. Now something I found is that while the Peltier cooler can handle up to 12 volts, this heatsink is not sufficient to dissipate the heat, and after a few minutes the Peltier cooler absorbs so much of the heat that it can no longer provide a cooling effect. And it looks like that's about as low as it's going to get with the 5 volts applied. Now I am curious to see how cool we can make this in a short period of time with 12 volts applied. So there we have it. If you have any ideas for a Peltier cooler module, feel free to post a comment below. If you like the JIGMOD electronic circuit building system, check out the Kickstarter video in the description. Thanks everybody, I hope you liked the video. See you next time.